So guys, let's take a look at our Euro USD. Before you actually go, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, by the way. We will be starting with our weekly time frame. I want us to start with our weekly time frame so you can understand where I'm actually trying to go. As we can see, we are actually on a fall, right? On our weekly time frame, we are actually on a fall. We can see this pullback here. We saw this fall. Our price was able to break our previous pullback, and now our price has fallen huge light, right? And what are we going to be expecting? Right? A pullback again. That's exactly what we are to be expecting on our Euro USD. We saw this fall and a pullback here, exactly here. So for this week, we should be expecting a bullish move, at least a pullback to this level here. We can see this break. Our price broke below it, came back, tested here, pushes up, then broke below it. So yeah, we will be expecting a pullback to this key level area here, and we can see our price is starting to give us that bullish move, which means our euro should actually go and close bullish, by the way. Now let's sit on our daily time frame. We can see it now. Our price is actually pushing up, right? Today we actually closed bearish. We actually closed bearish, which means our price has not gotten to this our area we expected to get to on that our weekly time frame. You can see our price touches a bounce up, and now our price broke below it and go down, right? And now we are having a retracement, which means we've not actually gotten to this area here. So we still want our euro to actually come up here. So but one thing is that first day, second day, third day, we actually had a bullish move. Today we actually had a bearish move, serving as a retracement. That is exactly what we will be seeing it as. Our euro pushes up, but we now add a retracement on this our euro. What are we expecting again? Our euro should actually go up again, breaking this our previous higher highs to hit this our area we wanted to hit. So now we have actually closed bearish for today. Once our price open next, I believe we would actually open and close bullish the next day again. Do you now see where what I'm trying to analyze on this our euro USD? So I am still looking for a bullish move on our euro USD. I personally don't believe our euro USD will actually fall. By the way, I don't believe. We've actually closed bearish for the day. The next time we will open is we will open and close bullish. That is exactly what I am waiting for. Probably once our price opens and close within this area for the day, the next day it opens closed bullish area, there we're very much likely to see that drop we would want to be seeing on our euro USD. That is on our daily time frame. So our daily time frame is will very much likely open and closed bullish. Now let's take a look at it on our 4-hour time frame. We can see it on this our 4-hour time frame. We are actually on an uptrend move, a bull push up, a pullback, right? Uptrend move, a push up, right? And guess what? We've actually had a pullback again to this our level area here. As you can see, it's level area. We can see we now have this huge wick now. What are we to expect next on our uptrend move is a push up again. Price to actually push up, but waiting, probably break above our previous higher highs. We can now see that the next day again, once our price open, we would very much likely to open and close bullish. So our euro USD, we should actually look for a buy on our euro USD. So a bullish move on our euro. Now let's take a look at it on our index. Should I say index? Let's see. I'm still expecting our USD to actually fall for our euro to actually rise. So let's sit on our 4-hour time frame. That is it. As we can see, our price push up, falls. We actually add this retracement, right? Which means our USD pushes up while our euro fell, right? So the next time our USD index will open, I believe it will actually fall, giving way for our euro to actually open and close bullish on our euro. We can see this key level area here. I will be analyzing. See, I've just marked here. I just marked with our green line. We can see our price comes a bounce up, comes a tested this area, bounce up, right? Now we can see our price, our euro to our in USD index has actually now giving us that retracement to this our area where we've highlighted. So what are we waiting for? Actually, we are waiting for a fall on our index, which means once our USD falls, then our euro would actually rise. So let's aim for it. Our euro USD for the on the 21st for July is actually, we should be waiting for a bullish move. So that is my analysis. Thank you.